All right, today we are looking at lesson 14, exit ticket. Use the standard algorithm to solve the following subtraction problems. All right, standard algorithm, remember, is our fancy way of saying that we are stacking our numbers to solve. So we can see that this standard algorithm has been set up for us, but this one has not. So remember to take a moment before you solve and write your standard algorithm out vertically. Remember, whatever I'm writing, you're writing as well. If it's helpful to you, I would suggest drawing lines to separate out your place values, because in one number you have place values that only go up to the thousands, but in our top number we go out to the 10,000, so we want to be extra careful that all of our numbers line up. Draw a tape diagram to represent the following problem. Use numbers to solve and write your answer as a statement. Check your answer. A donut shop sold 1,232 donuts in one day. If they sold 876 donuts in the morning, how many donuts were sold during the rest of the day? All right, let's start with our cubes circling the numbers. Underline the question. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to box my math action words. Sold means that they're getting rid of donuts. If they sold donuts in the morning, how many were in the rest of the day? If I hear rest, that kind of clues me in that we're doing some subtraction today. So I'm going to stop there. I think that those are some great words to start with, because now I know I'm doing a subtraction problem and I know which numbers I'm subtracting. If they sold within their entire day 1,232 donuts worth, and in the morning they sold most of them, 876, your job is to figure out how many donuts they sold in the afternoon. Now our problem wants us to represent this using a tape diagram. So if you've drawn your tape diagram along with me, then congratulations, you did what they asked. If you need a little bit more time to catch up, go ahead and pause this video and draw yourself a tape diagram where the whole length is worth 1,232. And now let's set up our standard algorithm. Larger number goes on the top, smaller number goes underneath. If it's helpful for you, you can separate out your place values. Now remember, you're going to start with the ones and work your way over. Use your rhyme. If there's more on the top, no need to stop. If there's more on the floor, go next door and get some more. The last thing that you need to include in your exit ticket today is to write your answer as a statement. What do these numbers represent? And remember, you're trying to figure out how much was sold during the rest of the day. So the store sold blank donuts in the afternoon. So when you solve for your answer, you can plug it into a sentence that looks similar to that. Now, good luck and give it a shot on your own.